Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the incredible benefits of vitamin K, an essential fat-soluble vitamin that plays a key role in your health. Vitamin K is most famous for its vital role in blood clotting, helping your body heal properly after injury. But that's not all. It's also deeply involved in bone metabolism and may influence other critical functions that are still being explored. You'll find vitamin K in both animal and plant-based foods. The richest natural source is liver, but it also shines in everyday superfoods like cabbage, kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, green tea, and natto, a fermented soybean powerhouse, especially high in vitamin K2. While vitamin K is generally safe, it's important to understand the potential risks associated with high-dose supplements. Always check with your doctor before starting any new vitamin regimen or increasing intake dramatically. Vitamin K2 is depleted in the presence of prescription cholesterol-lowering drugs, such as statins. Vitamin K2, also known as menaquinone, is produced by bacteria during the fermentation process and can be found in a variety of cheeses. It is an essential vitamin that supports cardiovascular health, bone health, and the immune system. However, research has shown that vitamin K2 is depleted in the presence of prescription cholesterol-lowering drugs, such as statins. Statins are a widely used medication for lowering cholesterol and are taken by 1 in 4 Americans over the age of 45. While statins are intended to reduce the risk of heart disease, recent studies have suggested that they may have the opposite effect. Statins inhibit the synthesis of vitamin K2, which plays a crucial role in protecting arteries from calcification. This inhibition leads to an increase in plaque levels and a higher risk of atherosclerosis and heart failure. Vitamin K2 is necessary for the proper distribution of calcium in the body. It helps move calcium to the bones and teeth while removing it from arterial walls, heart valves, and organs. By inhibiting the production of vitamin K2, statins disrupt this process, leading to an increased risk of cardiovascular issues. Additionally, statins have been found to deplete the body's levels of CoQ10, a compound that is essential for the function of heart muscle mitochondria. This depletion further contributes to the negative impact of statins on heart health. To counteract the depletion of vitamin K2 and CoQ10 caused by statins, it is recommended to supplement with vitamin K2 and CoQ10, or ubiquinol, the reduced form of CoQ10. This can help maintain adequate levels of these essential nutrients and potentially reduce the risk of cardiovascular issues associated with statin use. In conclusion, while statins are commonly used to lower cholesterol, their impact on vitamin K2 and CoQ10 levels may have unintended consequences on heart health. Supplementation with these nutrients may be a strategy to mitigate these effects and support overall cardiovascular health. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Discover the ultimate nutrient synergy that your bones, heart, and brain have been waiting for. In this powerhouse segment, we'll explore how vitamin D and vitamin K don't just coexist, they collaborate. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium efficiently. Vitamin K ensures that calcium is delivered to the right places, your bones and teeth, while keeping it away from soft tissues like arteries where it doesn't belong. Without enough vitamin K, calcium from vitamin D may build up in blood vessels, increasing the risk of arterial calcification. But together, they offer a dynamic defense system that supports strong bones, clear arteries, and long-term wellness. We'll break down the science, simplify the takeaways, and introduce you to powerhouse foods like salmon, eggs, and natto that naturally provide these vital nutrients. This isn't just nutrition, it's next-level wellness that works smarter, not harder. Let's take a closer look at the top foods rich in vitamins K and D and learn how to build a plate that fuels your health from the inside out. Number 1. Salmon. Wild-caught equals omega-3 plus D plus K2 equals triple support for heart and brain. Number 2. Natto. Natto is a traditional Japanese food made from whole soybeans that have been fermented with Bacillus, Subtilis var natto. It is often served as a breakfast food with rice. It's the highest known source. Number 3. Hard cheeses. For example, hard cheeses like Gouda tend to have higher levels of vitamin K2 than soft cheeses. Other cheeses high in vitamin K2 include Munster, Camembert, Edam, aged Gouda, and cheddar. Jarlsberg cheese is also high among cheeses. Number 4. Black bean natto. While black bean natto is not quite as high in vitamin K2 as soybean natto, it is not far behind. Number 5. Egg yolks. Egg yolk supports both bone and brain health bioavailable nutrients. An egg yolk can contain between 46 and 192 micrograms of vitamin K2. The amount of vitamin K2 in eggs is highly dependent on how the chickens are raised, much higher in pasture-raised eggs. Number 6. Grass-fed butter. Grass-fed butter is a small but mighty source of vitamin K2, especially the MK4 subtype, and it brings a few bonus nutrients to the table too. Number 7. Chicken, especially thighs and wings, more importantly, from pasture-raised or rotisserie sources. Number 8. Fermented sauerkraut. Vitamin K2 MK7 supports bone and heart health by guiding calcium to the right places. Number 9. Kimchi, low in vitamin K2, but spicy and probiotic packed. Number 10. Miso paste, again very low in vitamin K2, but great in soups and marinade. Veggies is not on the short list with this one because vitamin K2 is produced by bacteria and not plants. So the only plant-based sources are those that have been fermented. And there you have it. I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our latest health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy, eat smart. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.